So that's right, as you can see, it is officially winter in Ohio. It's a beautiful time of year, it's a cold time of year, and if you're a camper like me, it can be kind of a sad time of year, because that means winterizing the camper, no more going out in the beautiful weather in the summertime. But there is a silver lining. We do get to go to the RV show. So we're going to the Cleveland RV show, which is at the IX Center, and it's all indoors, so we don't have to worry about weather, and we kind of get our camping fix. So we get to go check out some RVs that maybe we might be looking at for our next future upgrades. You never know what we might find there. So let's go check it out. Need fuel to walk around probably. Full bellies, ready to go walk around an RV show. I'm good. This is what we get for getting here right when they open the gates. Line for tickets, and what are you holding? Pre-purchase. So when I get here, I remember how overwhelming it is. I think it's cute, but we have 4 kids. That's cute. And then right next to it, is the huge 5th wheel. So a Grand Design Reflection. Lots of windows. Love the size of the window. Might be. Yeah, it is. The opposing slides, fireplace. Big shower. And then the master full-size long.
Hey guys, how we doing? Look around the reflections. You like these?
Big windows. Comfortable? Big fridge. Big pantry. There's your control panel, storage above and below. And the selling feature, a window in the hallway. Huge walk-through bathroom. Storage, toilet. Very big shower with skylight. And the window up front. So it's a queen-size bed, and you've got the end tables, which is important. The windows so you don't feel claustrophobic. And then very large storage areas. This is the gateway. Very original layout, that's why I want to show this one. Set up like a rear kitchen, but back in the rear is truly a bunkhouse. It's a loft. And a half bath. It's long, but it's not that heavy. Yeah. Fireplace. High ceiling. I'm liking the High Island Peninsula. What would you call this? It's a peninsula island. An island. Keystone Sprinter. It's a pretty good price for this size. Huge, deep countertop. Find your washer and dryer or no? No? Got the nice little nightstands there though. Cool sink. Is that the bed height?
I don't feel like I have to voice myself either.
This is falling. Really low, it's nice. The ceiling height is good in this one too, Ben. No doorway. I like it.
Last year, we tried to make it so residential that some of those were
Ceiling fan. These are crazy high ceilings. 6-person. Residential fridge. We are done. Another successful RV show visit, and we learned a lot about what we like and don't like.